Insurance disputes after a car has been totaled. You may find yourself agreeing that your car should be totaled after an accident, but you may disagree about how much money you should receive for the loss. A disagreement over the car's actual cash value could arise, as you may agree that the car needs to be totaled, but you think it was worth more than you are being offered. The actual cash value. A car's actual cash value is worked out by comparing the cost of similar cars in your local area to your vehicle. Some auto insurance companies and dealers refer to a manual that helps them to determine the vehicle's value. However, advertisements that are found in newspapers may offer a different price, and this price could be used as a negotiation tool. However, you may want to think about how much work you did on your car and whether you added a new stereo, for example, some new tires, and even a roof rack. All of these items will put the value of the car up, and this may not have been taken into account by an insurance adjuster. The actual cash value of property. Establishing the actual cash value of personal property that was damaged in a car accident can be difficult. This is because there are no specific guidelines as to what personal property is worth. One of the first things you can do to prove how much your property is worth is to provide receipts, credit card slips, and photographs of them. Photographs of your property before the accident and afterward could prove to be very useful. If you can provide an original proof of purchase, you will have a good starting point. The proof of purchase will show how old your property is, and this can affect its actual cash value. The older the property is, the less money you'll likely to receive for it. In some cases, an insurance adjuster may want to take a look at an item of personal property before they decide how much it is worth. Once the original cost of the item has been established and how new it was, you will need to show an insurance adjuster how much a similar item is being sold for. If your item was quite new and you had not used it very much, the cost of a replacement item will help them to understand how much it could be worth. If you have been involved in a car accident and an insurance adjuster cannot agree on a cash settlement with you, please speak to a lawyer as soon as you can. If you sustained injuries as a result of the accident, please speak to a personal injury lawyer as soon as you can, as you may have a personal injury case.